Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily check your adjusted gross income or AGI on TurboTax. So first, you may want to head over to Intuit TurboTax and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. And in your TurboTax homepage, in the left panel, scroll down, then click on Review. So from this page, you can see details and information about your tax return details. You can proceed by clicking on the Check My Return button. Just wait for the screen to completely load, and here you can easily see and have an access to a detailed summary of your tax returns. Just proceed by clicking on the Continue button to know more information. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!